many a times that you have a feeling that you can't do it. Be it your studies, be it any sports, be it a speech, or the endless things that we have. But there are times when we feel that we can. So let's understand today that how we can together make this I can't to I can do it. Welcome to 6th, 7th and 8th channel of BYJU'S everyone. I'm a teacher Ankita, and in today's class we will be discussing something that is really very important for all of us, and that is that the ways that we can improve our self-confidence so that we can achieve everything in life that we want to. So please make sure to stay with us till the end. We will make sure this video is really very short and you can watch it at a 2x speed also. If you're new here, do take a moment and hit the subscribe button and join our amazing family. On this channel 6, 7 and 8, we follow this timetable. So please make sure to take a screenshot of it and join the classes at the respective times. So we have classes for 6, 7 and 8. And if you have enjoyed watching this video till the end, please make sure everyone to hit that subscribe button, because only on this channel we make sure to give you the best quality of content and prepare you for your other academics important examination. Now, and not just the academics, I would say. We work with you with the skills that will be helping you to become the leader of tomorrow. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel. With that intro, let's quickly get started. So let's understand what is the meaning of the word confidence. Or when we talk about the confidence, you think about it, that what comes to your mind. It could be anything, right? Maybe you must be thinking about something, okay, I can do this, so maybe I have that confidence. So let's understand what is confidence and what are the important factors for it. So here we go. So, in a nutshell, if we say, what is confidence? It's a feeling of trust of something. It's a feeling that I can do this for sure. I can believe in me, I can trust in me, and I can do that. That is nothing but the confidence. If we add the word self into it, right, when we talk about it, self-confidence have two words. You trust yourself, and confidence is nothing but a belief that you have that you can trust yourself, your abilities, your knowledge, and you can achieve anything in this world. So this becomes really very important skills that all of us should have, is to believe in ourselves. Believe in that you can learn if you don't know something today. You can do better if you're not doing that great today. You can climb a mountain, you can ride a bicycle, you can speak in front of 1,000 people if you believe in yourself. So it's all about believing in yourself. So that's become a super important thing. Now that we are clear with the meaning of what a self-confidence is or what is confidence, let's understand that why it is really very important to have the confidence. Now, of course, the confident people are more likely to live longer. They are more happier because they have a great impact on their physical and their mental health, and of course, it is linked to success. In a nutshell, a confident individual, right, a person who have huge confidence on themselves, they will be able to do whatever they want to achieve, right? That gives them the superpower that they know that maybe even if they fall for 100 times, when they get up again and when they move ahead, they still have a chance and they will still do it. So that is all about the confidence. So that's a very good thing for all of us to take ahead with us, is to believe in yourself. Then, a very important, a quick look over here that what does a lack of confidence look like. For example, I'm sure there are times when you're not feeling confident. Oh, you know what? I know the answer, but should I really answer it? Because I'm not sure whether my English is that great or not. Or maybe I don't know the complete sentence. Should I raise my hand? Or I can't go out and speak in public. So let's understand what the lack of self-confidence or lack of confidence looks like in an individual, so that we can rectify it, right? We know that this is there and how we can work upon this. So first of all, of course, we keep on avoiding the challenges. We have sometimes anxiety attacks. We get nervous, right? We avoid any social situation or any social interaction. There's a lack of self-care. We don't give much importance to us. And most importantly, we keep on thinking about the others, that what they will think about us. if I can't say a single word in the public, maybe instead of thinking that what I think about myself, we think that, oh, what that person will think about it, oh, what my friends will think about me. So what we do is, instead of working on ourselves, we spend our majority of our times on thinking what the others will do. Now, I'm sure that you don't want to face this. So till now what we have discussed, we discussed the definition, or we can say the full meaning of the self-confidence. We have the clarity that why the self-confidence is important, and now we know that how the lack of confidence look like. It's there in every individual, right? But now that we are aware about that, okay, these are the points that where we face a little bit of lack of confidence, we can definitely work on it. So let's understand, everyone, how we can improve our self-confidence. Number one, very, very important, is that to practice the self-care, right? Think about it, everyone. When we practice self-care, right? Self-care practice. Now, what is the meaning of it? We are giving time to us. Now, of course, it's not just taking a care of, physically, but mentally also. Self-care comes when you're prioritizing your own health, be it you're eating healthy, you're doing exercise, you are thinking good about yourself. So practicing self-care is really very important. And it is a very, very important and a very common word that we are hearing this time, right? So it's really very important to stop, take a step back and start thinking about yourself. Give time to you, right? Think what you love. Think about, okay, you know what? I'm not sure that I am, as other people think that I'm good, I'm a very good singer, but you know what? I really want to play the guitar. So when you have that time with you, when you have a time where you can talk to you, when you can actually think about the future, you will know there are various opportunities that are waiting for you. So spend some time with you, right? Love yourself. That is the best thing we can do. That's a very small step that we can take to build the self-confidence. Then, the next point is building a positive relation. Now, of course, what is the meaning of building a positive relationship? With ourselves, with our surrounding. So, for example, let me give you a very simple two examples. For example, there's a new teacher in your school and he's like, you know what? Kids or students or anyone, right? It could be a matter of fact that, you are a new teacher, right? And you went to a class. Now, of course, how you want these students in your class to act too, right? Or maybe goes for the students also. So here we are looking at a very broader example. So do you want to be a person, right, that have an positive impact on others and not the negative impact? You don't want to say bad things to others because that will show that you don't appreciate yourself enough. So please make sure to build a positive relationship with you and around you. If you can't talk good about it, then please don't speak. There's no point of speaking negative things about anyone because eventually that just shows that deep down what we think about us. So let's stop ourselves, right? And let's focus on building positive self-image, positive thinking attitude, and positive relationship with not just the people around us, but with the environment. Appreciate that, right? Thank it. Be there with it and try to protect it. That's how we will be building the positive relationship. Comes a very important point, right? Third point is to have a growth mindset. Now, what is a growth mindset? Let's suppose you're writing something, right? You have an assignment and you have to finish it. The growth mindset will make sure to work on it. Even if you feel that, oh, there are some, okay, this is not that great, I can do better, but you are keep on growing. For one particular assignment that you're working upon, you are ready to learn different skills. You will spend some time in looking for the words, new words in the dictionary. You will spend some time in finding new sentences altogether. So these are the things that actually help us grow. So when we start working, right, when we start working on ourselves, that's clearly show that we want to grow in our life and we are ready to work on it. So that is super important nowadays to have a growth mindset. That's number 3. Now let's take a look at the number 4, which is challenge yourself. Go out of the comfort zone. Now all of us have a feeling that, okay, we don't want to challenge ourselves. We should be there in our comfort level. For example, if I have been running 100-meter race, or if I'm taking a particular job, I should be working on that only. That should not be the case, right? Feel free to challenge yourself. Take up some new opportunities. Take up some new challenges so that your mind is working, your growth mindset is there, and you are moving ahead. The more you challenge yourself, the more focused you are, the more new things you are learning, and day by day, you will be more confident. All of these things will be helping you to gain the confidence that we all need in our life. That we are there the last, and the 5th point is that practice self-affirmation. Now this is something which was there earlier also, but now have got a lot of attention. Now this, of course, we can say that it can be included with the self-care. When you write, when you read, these are something that you can say to yourself. Look in the mirror and say that I choose to believe. I am confident. I am confident and value myself. When you're looking in the mirror, you're reading out these sentences loud, look into the eye and say that I am confident, right? I choose to be confident. I believe I can be confident. I value the confidence that I have. When you say this again and again, our minds understand that. And of course, it's a very amazing way in which it works. Now, it's a very small step that we can take, but it does not require much of our time, and it have an amazing impact on our mind and of course the way that we see things. So please make sure to at least try this out and start today itself. Take the charge of your life, because nobody else is going to take the responsibility of it. If you want to learn how to swim, you only have to go inside the swimming pool, throw your hands and leg, then only you will be able to learn. If you want to ride a bicycle, it's only you can do. How many videos you will watch, whatever you do, right? Maybe you will imagine yourself sitting on a bicycle and riding. Until unless you don't do it, you will not understand. So it's become really very important to practice certain things, and then you see the results, and that's how you will gain the self-confidence. So with this, we are actually done, right? So we have 5 important tips. First, of course, to make sure to take care of yourself. Then challenge yourself. Do challenge yourself. It's super, super important. Then, of course, practice self-affirmation, right? Then, 4th, of course, we have just discussed before it. The positive build-up relation with the surrounding is super important. And, of course, the fourth point that was that challenge yourself, and please make sure you're doing it. So, let's quickly take a look, everyone. Practice self-care, build positive relation, because I was not going in the order, so here, a recap for us. Then, work on a growth mindset, challenge yourself, and most importantly, practice self-affirmation. With this, everyone, we are done. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end. You know that we have got you covered. And please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And most importantly, if you're new here, do take a moment and subscribe to our channel, because we make sure that you are growing with us and you are achieving all the goals that you want to. On that note, I will end the class. Wish to see you again. On that note, bye-bye everyone, and keep on learning with BYJU'S.